Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of INFINITI of Nashua, we have this 2021 Dodge Durango GT. Now, this car has something just a little bit special to it. I bet you guys are wondering what it is. Well, once I find the hood release, it is the K&N intake. This thing is sweet. Check this out. Full cold air intake system. Now, this car we've actually sold once before. Matter of fact, November of 2022, we sold this car. So I've actually driven this exact Durango before, although I'm not sure if I recorded it for the channel or not. However, when we got in a 2021 5.7 Durango, the person who bought this traded it in towards that, which explains why we have it for a second time. However, in the process of ownership, he put the K&N intake on it, which has completely changed this car's character. When I tell you this intake makes a world of a difference just in driving fun for this car, it's 100% accurate. Now check this out too. When you go into climate, the driver's wearing a helmet. It's pretty cool. Alright, let's go for a drive and I'll show you guys what this intake is like. We are in sport mode. I obviously turned auto start stop off. This has the 3.6 Pentastar V6, right about 300 horsepower from this engine. The intake really might add about 5 horsepower max, but in reality it's for the noise. Now, I'm not sure how much is going to come across on camera because I tried recording a YouTube short and it just didn't come across through the phone speakers at all. But this thing absolutely sounds like a trombone. It is freaking awesome. Here we go. And the thing is, you don't have to be flat out to really get any added intake noise. Even just under partial throttle, you'll get some really, really good noise. Now, obviously, we're talking about the thing that makes this example unique. But overall, the Durango is a great car, well, great SUV to drive, especially in the SRT forms, in forms of the 392, the Hellcat. It's just a really, really fun car. This is definitely something that, you know, let's say you have a Challenger but you have kids. This is a great option because you still have that kind of muscle feel to it. Everything seems kind of manly, tough, rugged. especially in these blacktop trims. So I'm not sitting here like, oh yeah, this is a girly SUV. It really isn't. It definitely has that manly vibe to it, kind of that muscle vibe, kind of something Dominic Toretto would drive his kids to school in kind of vibe. And overall, I enjoy my time with these things. Matter of fact, my family had a Durango. We had a 2011 for years until we actually outlived the lifetime warranty. The thing needed so much work that they wrote us a check for the remaining part of the warranty. We were like, yeah, we completely outlived it, which is pretty funny. ZF 8-speed in this thing. Love the transmission. You can't really go wrong with it. So many different cars use it. Obviously in different variations. Honestly, an intake can absolutely change the way a car is. I've done a full review on a stock one of these, and now I've done one on one with one mod, an intake. And you can just tell how different the whole experience is. Because anytime you roll into that throttle, this intake absolutely, I mean, it can even vibrate the steering. It's insane. It vibrates the steering wheel. You can just feel it. It's awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.